Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and Zip archives using an app called RAR on REALME C30. So in order to do this, first you'll need to download this app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, navigate to the folder that contains your files. For me, it's just pictures folder. Here's a free images that I'm gonna pack into a RAR file, so let's select each of them. Then click on this plus icon. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options, and there's a few tabs. There's a general, advanced, options, and comments. So I'm gonna go through general, and right here you can change a name for your archive, so pick whatever you want. Here you can change extension of your archives, so it's gonna be RAR, ZIP, or RAR4.x. You can set a password for your archive, so let's go with 123. Click OK to save that. There's also option to delete files after archiving or create solid archives. There's no need to change anything here unless you really want it. So click OK to pack these files. And that way we just created our RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.